Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is on Catalonia, Yucatan Beach, which is an all-inclusive resort located about an hour and a half south of Cancun and about 30 minutes away from Tulum. So once you walk in, you will see the check-in area. In the lobby, there is a gift shop. There's also the disco and the sports bar that's located in the corner. So as you can see, this resort does share a lot of the same spaces with the resort that it's connected to, which is Catalonia, Riviera, Maya. So keep that in mind. If you would like to see everything that's located on that side, there is a link that can be found down below. Once you leave the lobby area, directly in front of you, you will see a view of pretty much a majority of the resort. So you'll see the two pools, the creperie, there's a swim up bar, the food truck, the buffet, and then the beach right ahead. This resort is not big by any means. I do like it because of the size, and it does seem a lot cozier than some of the bigger resorts. There's also a really nice sitting area along the beach. All right, so let's talk about this beach. From what I've seen, according to other people's videos and experience, and from experiencing it myself, people typically do not choose this resort based off of the beach area because it looks like this. Now, I was here mid-June of 2024, okay? So this may be seasonal, I don't know. But when I was there, this was it. And I mean, it's not like people weren't working hard to remove it. Like, these men were working extremely hard every single morning to get it cleaned up. But from what I seen, it did not do much at all. If you look further off in the distance, the beach is cleaner on the opposite side, but that's a whole different resort. So I recommend going on the Catalonia Riviera Maya side, so on the opposite side of the resort, and using that. Now, it is rocky. It's rocky everywhere, so also remember to pack water shoes. They do also offer kayaking and snorkeling at no additional fee, but there are some other water sport activities that you do have to pay for. All right, so on this side, you do have a buffet that's called El Mercado. The hours are listed on the door. They are open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When I was here in mid-June, I stayed on the Catalonia Riviera Maya side, and the buffet was under construction, so we did have to all share the same buffet between two resorts, and breakfast was probably the most hectic, so keep that in mind. Now, they did say the renovations were supposed to be completed, I believe, by first week of July. So hopefully by the time you're watching this video, you don't have to worry about that. The creperie was also located on this side, so you could go there for crepes and for ice cream. It is only open for, I believe, 4 hours a day, so be mindful of the timing. But overall, this was probably one of my favorite spots. This side also has a hot dog and sandwich food truck, which was pretty good as well. There are specialty dining options located on the other side. Tune into the other video that I just made, which shows how to go about booking those. In terms of activities, they are posted throughout the resort, but also if you go on the website, which the previous video shows that as well, you can have a digital copy. So they did have things such as beach volleyball, they had dance classes, beach parties, the disco nightclub, the sports bar, aqua fitness classes, bingo, things of that nature. And I had a blast participating in almost everything. And here's the sports bar. Again, the entrance to this and to the disco nightclub is located in the lobby. If you are looking for things to do outside of the resort, I recommend going to the Tulum Mayan ruins because it is only 30 minutes away from the resort. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I do have a link to that video down below if you would like to see it. Also, if you're looking for something that's closer, the Dolphin Discovery is only an 8-minute walk. Now, you can rent a golf cart to get to the marina area for $100 a day. I'm not about that life, so go for it if that's what you're looking to do. But the marina area has lots of things that you can just kind of walk around and see. There's also lots of restaurants. And if you are wanting to swim with the dolphins, this is the place to do it. If you are not wanting to, they do have a lot of restaurants that kind of look over to where the dolphins are. So you can eat, walk around, relax, and still be able to see the dolphins without swimming with them. went around lunchtime on a Saturday and it was pretty dead. I don't know. I expected the area itself to just be a little more lively. I don't know if it's popping at nighttime, but around lunchtime, it was pretty empty. There weren't that many people around. But we did find a really good Mexican restaurant for lunch, so I would recommend this place. After that, there is a really good gelato place right next door, so we did stop there. That is all that I have for you guys. Overall, we did have a really good trip. We thoroughly enjoyed the resort and what both sides had to offer in terms of entertainment, food, activities. We definitely enjoyed ourselves, and I would say I would come back, especially because of the size and it being smaller than a lot of other resorts. So if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, share this with a friend, and I will see you guys next time.